Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. We are now going to review the account of one of our traders, Andrei. Andrei joined our funded trader program last November on the 14th and hit his first 10% target on the 23rd of December. So congratulations, first of all, Andrei, very well done. And now let's have a look at the equity line. So from the 14th of November, when he first started, he had quite a good start. We can see here, just a few days after he started, it was up almost 3% on his account. Then something happened and he went back onto the initial account balance, but slightly went in negative territory. We can also, we should not even account for that. So we can say how from the end of November he went one way up toward his first 10% target. He held the between 8 and 9% for a while, and then a final gain, on the 22nd of December. My apologies for that. Now, let's have a look at the statistics. So we see an average daily return of 0.2%, monthly return of 7.11%, with a drawdown of just 2.74%. Very good, very well done. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So 43 position opened, 43 trades with a profitability rate of 81%, which is really good, a very high winning rate for Andrei. Let's have a look at the average win and loss. So on average he won 18 pips, losing on average, of course, 32 pips. But since the so even if the average loss is higher with respect to the average win, Andrei has this very high winning rate. For this reason, he managed to be profitable over time. Let's have a look at the best and worst trade. So, on the 7th of December, he had his best trade. He gained $340 with 98 pips. And on the 4th of December, a few days before that, he lost $292 with 65 pips. Let's have a look at the history of the account to see how he managed to divide the lot size available for him and his account. And this is the 14th of November when he first joined our program. He was trading at 0.4, 0.4, 0.45. We saw that. Let's have a look at the second page. 0.45, 0.49. So okay. And maybe just few positions he opened at maximum full lot size when he was trading the 15K account. The 22nd of December is when he reached the 10%, and now is trading at the moment with the $30,000 account. Okay, regarding the duration of his positions, we can see an average trade length of 13 hours and 31 minutes. So from the scattered plot, we can see how the majority of his positions were held for less than 1 day, and just few others were left longer. Unfortunately, over 1, 2, 3, and 4 positions held for more than 1 day. 3 of them were negative position and just 1 was a positive one, but yet we mentioned the outstanding profitability rate that Andrei has. So very well done, congratulations, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.